Hi, I'm Michael, Marine Data Solutions. Today we are on board Amarillo Sun 164 Trinity, and we're here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. And Captain Albert has graciously let us make a few videos. And in this video, I want to talk about how I go to a lot of boats because they want me to come and evaluate their system because they're not happy with the speed of their internet system on the boat. So usually when I go to those boats and I see a problem, the most common problems are old wireless access points, old modems, no antennas on the modem at all, or sometimes there's just one antenna on the modem. So a little bit of critical information: if you take a look at a PepWave modem, it's got two antennas for each SIM card. And for whatever reason, a lot of people only install one external antenna. Not sure why, but in our testing, when we have both antennas connected properly with the right big LMR 400 cable, you have a much faster, much more stable, better user experience than if there's only one antenna with a little skinny cable with a bunch of gender adapters in there, because all those gender adapters reduce the effectiveness of that antenna. So that's the number one thing, is either no antennas or one antenna. You need at least two antennas for each SIM card. The next thing that I see a lot is that we've got old wireless access points around the boat. Now granted, they're there, but because they're a few years old, they're not up to speed to the new frequencies and the new technology that comes with it. The new equipment is just faster and it operates at higher frequencies and it allows for a better user experience. And then the next thing that I see that causes a lot of problems is a lot of boats will have maybe a crew member, maybe a family member comes on board the boat and they've got a Generation 2 iPad which doesn't have any of the new frequencies in it. And the thing about internet on a network is that there's a line of devices that are in line trying to share that bandwidth, and everybody's got to wait behind the slowest device. So if the slowest device is somebody's phone or somebody's iPad or somebody's laptop, well, that piece of equipment is holding up everybody else on the boat. So it's actually slowing down your user experience. So even though, everybody's got an old piece and maybe the child has an old iPad so they can watch their movies, that's taking its toll on your network. So if you're really looking to optimize your network, all of that equipment, the modem needs to be the latest, the antennas need to be correct, and the equipment that's on the network needs to be relatively new. Now, the next little secret I'm going to tell you about network performance is iCloud. A lot of people go fishing, they take a bunch of pictures on the boat, they take some video, they come back to the yacht for their charter, and their phone sees, oh, now I'm online, I have Wi-Fi from the boat, and iCloud automatically starts uploading those 25 pictures and 6 videos that you took while you were out, and you don't even know it. So now, if 3 people were on the boat doing that, you've got 3 phones now trying to upload video and photographs, all bogging down the yacht's Wi-Fi performance, and looking at the phone, you'd never know what it's doing. So a big thing there is that when you've got guests come on the boat, they need to turn off their iCloud. And that'll just help the system performance overall, and you'll also find out that you're not using as much data because all of that data is not trying to go to the cloud. The other problem that happens a lot is everybody's phones, especially with Apple, are now on automatic updates for software. So as soon as that manufacturer posts his software update, your phone is now trying to download that update while you're on a fixed budget of broadband, which is just going to cause a problem because now you've got 3 phones trying to update themselves automatically. You don't know that's happening either. So there's a lot of little tricks and tips that we could go through, but having the latest equipment, having 2 external antennas, and turning off iCloud will improve everybody's system performance. So if you're ready for me to come take a look at your system and give you some ideas for how we can make it faster, just give us a shout.